All right, guys, so we're over at the desk. Let's take a look at this smart ring that was sent out to me to review. Now, this is the box that you're going to receive when you purchase the ring. Now, I received this black variant of it. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see the electronics down here, but all of the circuitry, you can see it is exposed. There's also a magnetic connector here, and that you're going to actually use for charging it. So you get this little charger here, and this just plugs in with a USB-C cable. This is what it looks like inside. There's the little connector there at the rear of it, and that's how you're going to charge it. So basically you just drop this guy in like so, and it's just going to rotate around, and it will magnetically connect to the ring so that you'll be able to charge it. Now, the charge is estimated to last about 7 days, which is really nice. It does come with a short USB-C to USB-A cable, no power brick, but in most cases you probably won't need that, okay? So you're going to pick whichever finger you're going to wear this on. I've been wearing it on this finger here. It fits really nice, but that's always going to be based on the size that you choose. Now, the app you can download from, at least I've been able to download it from the Apple Store. I believe you can also download this from Android, but they also provide you with a QR code in the instructions as to how to install this, okay? Now, once you install the app, you're going to have access to a couple of different things, and I'll show you guys what those look like here. So you're going to have your blood oxygen, you have your beats per minute, you'll have your blood pressure, your sleep, and your steps. So all of that is accessible here. If you click on any one of these, you can actually go in and measure in real time to see what your blood pressure is, or your whatever measurement or metric you're interested in, which is really nice that you have that function. You also have some sport features, some care features. Up here, you're going to see what your target is for how many steps you want to take per day, how many calories burned, and how many actual steps that you have. Now, once it's connected, all of your information is going to be here. It's going to give you also information on the ring as far as the battery life, the health, your settings, all of that, and you can disconnect from the ring here if you choose to. Now, I will tell you guys, from just having this for a little over 24 hours, I have been really happy with this. It has been very accurate. You can go into your settings and you can determine how frequent it's going to refresh. I have it set to 30 minutes, but some people probably don't need it to refresh that often. I don't actually need it to refresh that often. I just wanted to be able to see how fast it would pick up. So if you're concerned about your health, if you're interested in keeping track of your metrics, this could be a very fashionable, put it on and forget it type of way of keeping track of that information. And like I said, the design is really clean. It is very professionally built. The materials that it's made from seem to be very sturdy. All right, guys, I just want to do a quick video on this little fitness ring. So if you guys have something like this on your mind and you're thinking about a bracelet or a ring or something else, this could be exactly what you're looking for. So definitely check this out. I think this is going to be great, again, for anyone who is interested in um, personal health tracking or anything like that. This is definitely worth taking a look at. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.